Credit for prior learning. CUNY SPS allows undergraduate students to transfer up to 105 credits from previous education, work experience, and exams. You can find information about exams and credentials that are accepted by going to sps.cuny.edu, click on Academics, then Prior Learning. On the left, you can click on Credit by Examination. At the top are the different types of exams we accept. Click on the individual exam links to learn more about the exam, the cost, and how to register for the exam. If you scroll down to PLA equivalencies, you can see which exams have been evaluated for credit, the score you need in order to receive credit, and the equivalencies for each exam. Please let your academic advisor know if you are interested in taking any exams. Note that you cannot take an exam if you have already taken an equivalent course. Also, let your advisor know if you have any certifications or licenses and review the list of credentials that may have been evaluated for transfer credit. To review the credentials we accept for credit, click on Credit for Non-Collegiate Learning. Again, if you hold any of these credentials, please let your academic advisor know to determine if those credentials can be used towards your remaining requirements.